Hi everybody, Jennings Brower here with Pond Megastore. Today I'm going to tell you about a few plants that are very easy for beginners, such as Thalia delbata, horsetail rush, dwarf giant papyrus, dwarf umbrella palm, blue flag iris, orange punch water canna, Arabis aquatic pink canna, and soft rush. Now, floating plants are another great option for early pond owners. We highly suggest staying away from water hyacinth and water lettuce, as these are becoming illegal in a growing number of states. However, we do suggest as an alternative the Botswana wonder and the water mimosa. Now, if you want to add a spark to your pond, add some hardy water lilies. Not only are they simple for beginners, but if you've never planted one before, we have videos that you can watch that go into detail about how to properly plant them. Plants such as lemon meringue, white hot, Greg's orange beauty, Mancala Ubo, Detective Erica, Faye McDonald, Perrine, Clyde Aikens, Colorado, Juan Visa, Joey Tomasic, Stephen Strawn, or Miss Siam. Now, these are all some great plants for any beginner pond owners or for pond owners in general. If you have any questions or want to know about the other plants that we do have other videos following this one talking about the more advanced or intermediate plants. As always, if you found this video helpful, please turn that gray thumb blue, let us know that you liked it, found it helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. While you're at it, hit that bell to turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video from Pond Megastore. My name is Jennings Brower, and along with Pond Megastore, we thank you so much for being here and watching our videos. Have a great rest of your day.